Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a proof video on our posting for one of our trade lines. We have over 300 trade lines posting every week. We like to show proof about 2 a month. We do about 2 videos a month of proof postings on our trade lines. Today we have the Discover card. This has some age on it. This was about 27 years old. Let me see here. Discover card, 23,000, 1994, about 27 years old. You have the authorized user, perfect pay history. This particular trade line goes for $995. Good price for 27 years. Again, I always tell people when it comes to trade lines, you want to have average age increase when you buy a trade line. That's important. If your average age does not increase, you won't get the boost you want. So always examine your profile. If you have a lot of accounts, a lot of older accounts, you really don't want to buy a trade line. If you have a lot of young accounts, less than five accounts that are about 1 to 2 years old, then it's ideal to buy a trade line. The key factor again is average age increasing when you buy a trade line. That will give you the boost you want. We do offer free consultation, go over your profiles. To make sure you don't waste your money buying a trade line. You don't want to throw good money away, not in these times. So again, the 27-year Discover, 23,000. Proof, authorized user, posting, perfect pay history. Just want to show people that our lines do post. For more information, call me. My name is Cameron, 202-213-2218, or subscribe to our channel, tradelines.biz. Tradelines with the S.biz to get a bi-weekly list of trade lines. So that's it for today. Thank you.